Start by laying out all the parts needed for assembly. Disconnect the drive motors. Flip the vehicle over, then slide each drive motor over the rear axle and into place. Insert one of the wheel grommets on each side of the wheel. Then insert the drive motor interlock piece. Slide on each rear wheel, followed by a washer and the lock nut. Make sure to tighten both rear wheels at the same time. The assembly for the front wheels is the same as the rear, with the exception to the drive motor interlock piece. Slide the front support bracket into its spot, then secure with the provided Phillips screws. Reconnect the drive motors. Before going any further, power the vehicle on to ensure everything is working properly. For the steering wheel, start by removing the pre-installed nut and bolt. After clipping the zip tie, connect the steering wheel cable. Slide the steering wheel over the steering shaft, then connect with the provided nut and bolt. Snap the windshield into place. Insert the seat, ensuring that it locks into place. Pop the rear view mirrors into their corresponding holes. The hubcaps will snap into place as well. Hold the power button located at the top of the remote until the remote lights flash. Once flashing, release the power button and power on the vehicle.